Hello everybody, welcome back to another vlog. And I'm walking back from the park. It's pretty dark out. I don't think the camera's working too nice, so that's why it doesn't look too dark for you. It's to you probably looks like the middle of the day. I don't know. Like I said, I'm walking home, so I get to see these random people doing weird random things, so yeah. And I'm showing you my secret hideout. It's very sacred. You should not tell anybody. Only me and my friends know it. It's so good of a hiding spot. No one dares. Well, it's not really even a hiding spot. It's just my platform. There it is. My area. It's got trash just in there. That spoils a lot. And yeah, this is it. Walking on a hay bale. Nothing too special. And yeah. Random people. Tree. It's a tree. Yeah. Another random tree. Like I said, I just wanted to walk. I'm just walking home from the park. And yeah, it's not too. It wasn't that smart of me to go there anyway because it's getting late. And I got new stuff. Like I got new kicks. These aren't them. No, these are old. They aren't too good. They have holes in them. That's how bad they are. And I got them not too long ago, which that kind of is good. And there's my house. My beautiful house with the black car in front. My house. Hello. Beautiful. Neighbor's daughter. No, what's her daughter? This is my house. That's it for today. See you guys all next time. Bye.